Okay, this video is going to be interesting because it's extremely cold in here, and so the heater's on and the fan is on and I can hear it, and I really just want to see how much background noise is going to get picked up with these settings. Now, there's a couple of little things that should be done to turn this Cypher GUI application into a user-friendly program. It works, it gets the job done. You put in some text, you set a key for a Visioneer, or you set an offset for a Caesar, and it'll process your text and do the conversion. But it should be better. So one of the things I've done, which is a minor enhancement, but I like it, is that when the program runs, starts up, it centers itself on the screen as opposed to being in the upper left-hand corner. Personally, I think I'll change it later such that it'll start up. Well, I'll change it later so it'll start up wherever I leave it. So if I run the program and position it over here, when I start it again, it'll actually still be in that position. But that's going to be a little involved because it means I've got to get the window position and save it to a file. But we'll do that. But what I want to talk about today is the way this field here performs two functions, because it's used as an offset for the Caesar and it's used as a keyword for the Visioneer. And if we try to do the Visioneer, if we set this to 10, we're doing a Caesar, and we decide we want to do a Visioneer and we change it, well, this 10 here, if there was a message here, would cause the program to blow up, because this keyword needs to be only alphanumeric. So that needs to be checked to avoid that crash. It's not just that this can't be empty, it's that it can't be alphanumeric. I've already made some changes in the Caesar situation that if I put in ABC and try to encode it, I'm going to get an error. But if I put in 10 on the Visioneer, there is no code to check that. So, but it's just a matter of moving the logic over. But another thing that would be better is that if we set this to Caesar, if we were on Visioneer and we had this as friends, if we set it to Caesar, then this should automatically change into some number, some default value, either 0 or 1 or something, and 0 is just fine. Likewise, if I change this to Visioneer, then this should change to some sort of default secret key. But that means trapping when the state changes of these buttons. Don't care so much about the encode and decode, but we do need to catch this one. Now, I'm trying to keep this video short. It's 4 minutes already, so I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to go do my research on the internet and figure out how to trap the button changes, and then come back.